So hi guys, my name is Gautam. We have got a play student in QSpiders Rajajinagar and he will be sharing his experience.
Hi everyone, so myself Aniket Sharma and I am basically from Jammu and Kashmir. So I just completed my engineering from Government Engineering College Mandya, and I just completed my degree in computer science engineering in the year of 2025. And moving on to next, I just pursued a course in software testing full stacks, which was under the guidance of Pradeep sir and Gautam sir. And moving on to the placement, I just got placed in a company and my joining is from Monday. And moving on to my experience in QSpiders, I'll just say in a few words only. If you wanted to join over here, just be passionate about yourself, and if you wanted to learn a good skills, this is the best place in order to acquire the knowledge. And the support throughout here is like mind-blowing. The such experience you have never got in your life throughout, which I can permit from myself to acquire from this place. So thank you for all the things, sir, and thank you for your guidance.